So guys, I'm very happy today because we have shrimps here and also tuna. Yeah, so this one my sis Joanne ordered in Mombasa, so I just asked her to order also some for me. So let's eat this, guys. Let's cook this, guys. I'm very excited because there is no shrimps here in Busia and tuna. So this one is from Mombasa. So most of the fish are different variety of fish is coming from Mombasa. So now this 1 kg of shrimps is 1,600 Kenyan shillings. So that is how much? 800? Yeah, that is 800 pesos. And sorry. And then this tuna is 850 Kenyan shillings. So that is 425 pesos. So you see my Hakim is very stubborn today. I didn't do anything yet. My dishes are still here. Yes, my love. I didn't wash my dishes. I haven't cooked yet. Sometimes he has this mood. Sometimes he's in bad mood. You see? He don't even want me to talk. What's the problem, my love? Say hi. Yes, very good. So let me prepare this shrimps because I want to cook sinigang na hipon, the shrimp with the tamarind soup. That's what I really miss, so, because I really like soup. Okay guys, that's all. See you later. So guys, I'm cooking a very small shrimp nilaga sinigang na hipon. So I have only shrimp and how do you call this, spinach. So the water is already boiling. I want to put the onion now. Sinigang na hipon. It's shrimp with the tamarind soup. And then tomato. Guys, I'm cooking while carrying Hakim. He's in a bad mood today. You cannot put him down. Okay, now it's boiling. I have here Mamacita's sinigang sa sampalok. So it's a tamarind seasoning mix. I still have it, guys. When it will be expired? On November 2026. So let's add the sampalok now, the tamarind seasoning. And then I will add some salt. Wow. Where is it, Baba? Where is it? Okay. I can smell it now, guys. Wow. I miss this food. You know, my in-laws are messaging me in WhatsApp. What is the shrimps? They are not eating shrimps. Wow. And for me, that is my favorite, the shrimps. So you see guys, I've already removed the head because it's already spoiled. So let's put the shrimps now. And then I have a spinach. Let me put the spinach. This one is very good with chili, but now I don't want to put chili because Hakim cannot eat. He can't eat chili. So this one, I just cook a very small soup because it's only me and Hakim. Maybe we cannot finish it if I will cook a lot. This one is enough until tomorrow lunch. This one is our dinner. And until tomorrow lunch, the soup. But for the shrimp, I will finish it tonight. I mean, I still have remaining shrimps there that I want to fry. You know, I don't have fridge, so I cannot stop the shrimp, but it's okay because it's been almost a year since the last time I ate shrimps. This shrimps is only in Mombasa. Let me cover it, guys. The rain. You see the rain is coming, right? Okay, let me cover it. Close the door, please. Close the door. Close the door, my love. Again, close the door. The salt and the tamarind, the seasoning is enough, guys, so I'm not adding anything now. I just want the spinach to be cooked and it's ready to eat. My rice is already cooked also, you see, guys. Yes, so that's a very simple recipe. You can use even the fresh tamarind because here in Kenya there's a lot of fresh tamarind. So thank you for watching, guys. My Hakim is crying now.